How to see what general ledger accounts are set up. General ledger accounts are used to keep track of the financial transactions of the church by 5 main categories: assets, liabilities, net assets, revenues, and expenses. All of the general ledger accounts together make up the chart of accounts. When you begin with IconCMO, some general ledger accounts have already been set up for you. As you go along, you may add, modify, or even delete some accounts to suit your needs. To see or print out what general ledger accounts are available, do the following steps. From the menu, select General Ledger GL Chart of Accounts. The chart of accounts will appear on the screen with 6 columns. The 6 columns and their descriptions are as follows. The account name lists the name of the account as it appears on reports. The account type divides the accounts between assets, liabilities, revenues, cost of sales, expenditures, other revenues, other expenditures, and other financial sources. The category detail further categorizes the account type, i.e., an asset can be a bank checking asset or a fixed asset. A revenue can be contributions revenue or a major revenue. The plus sign indicates whether the normal balance of the account is a debit or a credit. For example, the cash account usually has a debit balance, so a debit to this account will increase it. On the other hand, a revenue account usually has a credit balance, so a credit to this account will increase it. The status indicates if the account is active or inactive. RQD stands for required. If this column is marked with a Y, this means the account is required and is necessary for the internal workings of the computer program. These accounts have been defined by the programmers and cannot be changed or deleted by the users. Select from the drop-down list Show All Accounts if you want to see both active and inactive accounts that have been set up. If you only want to see a certain type of account, choose the appropriate one from the drop-down list. Once you have selected what accounts you want to see, simply scroll down to see the accounts available. The window will display the first 50 records that have been set up. Use the arrow buttons at the top of the screen to advance to the next 50 or go back to the previous 50. To print the chart of accounts, do the following steps. Go to General Ledger GL Reports. Select Chart of Accounts from the left side. Select the button to include or not include the inactive accounts on the report. Select PDF Report from the drop-down list. Select the Show Report button. Select the printer icon to print out the report.